Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones JBL Tune Beam. Before we start, I wanna say that I customized gestures. I will show it to you because I think it's better than what JBL have by default. So I choose volume control for the left one earbud, and I choose playback and voice assistant for the right one. I will show it to you, so let's test it. Now, if you let's play with the right one earbud. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on the button. Now I played the song, and if I press again, I will pause the song. Cool. Now, if I press two times, I will play next track. And if I press three times, I will play previous song. Here we go. Now let's go to the left one. If I press one time, I will increase the volume. Here we go. And if I press two times, I will lower the volume. Here we go. Now, if I press and hold for left one or the right one earbud, I will call a assistant. I have iOS, so it will be a Siri, but if you have Android, you will call a Google Assistant. Here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing two times on your earbud. Let's test it. Now I answer the call, and if I press again two times, I will reject the call. Here we go. And you can reject a call if you press and hold for the headphones. Let's check it. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!